Good morning, Pawpaw Sammy and Bug here. I had one of my subscribers reach out to me and ask me how I folded the plastic on top of my beehive, the lid, the cover for the beehives. And he asked me would I do a in-depth uh, video where he could kind of figure out what he's doing. He lives in basically the same climate as I do, except he's in Florida. Now, to start with, this is a plastic used on insulating pipes in commercial or industrial. It's thin, flexible. Sun will not bother it. It'll last for years. It will not decay in the sun. Now, show and tell. If this was the top of your beehive, okay, you come in here, you take your scissors, and real careful, you set it down here and get it straight and pretty, and you cut your slit. Just a straight cut. I'll do it over here. Just cut a straight cut. Just straight right up. All right. It don't matter how long. It depends on you, but it needs to be a little bit of distance. You bring it down here like so. Well, let me back up a little bit. You bring it down on top of your lid, and you fold your little slit. You fold it down on top of your lid, and then you just fold this down on top of it. Now, what you formed is a corner there that's waterproof. If this is long enough, the water will hit here and run off. So make this long enough where it'll lap around a little ways on your top. And then fold your top down and staple it. And that'll give you on all four corners. That will give you your top to your hive. Now, I'm going to take you out and show you the lazy man's way of doing it. The way when I'm in a hurry, I always pick out the lazy man way. Now, as I just said, I'm going to show you the lazy man's way on my hives. There's two ways. I've got it done both ways out here. Basically, let me duck underneath the shade. Basically, here's one with the corners stapled and bent. See? It works good. It's waterproof. Now, here's the lazy man's way. Just cut it, stick it on there, and let it stick out. All right, that one up there has the corners cut and folded around. It's entirely what you need and how big a hurry you're in. Either way, it'll last, and either way, it's waterproof. So that's about all you need.